Welcome back to Tour the World. In our last video, we explored Milan, focusing on the magnificent cathedral and the central railway station. Milan's cathedral was absolutely breathtaking. So far, we've visited 9 countries: Finland, Sweden, Estonia, Poland, Iceland, Switzerland, Sharjah, Turkey, and Italy. We've created short documentaries with 4K drone footage. If you missed those, check out our YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the stunning Certosa di Pavia, a hidden gem just outside Milan. It took us just 30 minutes to drive here from Milan. This magnificent monastery is a must-visit for anyone traveling to northern Italy. Let's dive into its rich history, breathtaking architecture, and charming surroundings that make it a perfect day trip from Milan. Built in the late 14th century, the Certosa di Pavia was commissioned by Gian Galeazzo Visconti, the Duke of Milan. This architectural masterpiece blends Gothic and Renaissance styles, creating a unique and awe-inspiring structure. The detailed carvings and frescoes are simply mesmerizing. Inside, the Certosa is just as impressive. The ornate chapels and the serene cloister are perfect examples of the incredible craftsmanship of the time. Every corner of this place tells a story of devotion and artistry. Just outside the monastery, you'll find sprawling farmland that stretches as far as the eye can see. This area is known for its lush fields and traditional farming practices, offering a picturesque contrast to the grandiose architecture of the Certosa. The nearby towns of Pavia and Vigevano are also worth a visit. These charming locales are filled with historic buildings, cozy cafes, and friendly locals. It's like stepping back in time to a simpler, more tranquil era. Don't miss the chance to visit this incredible place. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you add Certosa di Pavia to your travel bucket list. In the next video, we will take you to Como city of Italy, which is very close to Stabio city, Switzerland. We already explored the beauty of Stabio in one of our past videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tour the World.